Good morning, listeners. This is Linda from News in Bed with the strangest health stories of 2015. The man with scissors in his head. A man with a pair of scissors sticking out of his head stunned hospital staff when he walked into A&E and politely asked the staff if they could help him. Blood-soaked Jonas Acevedo Monroy, 32, was nicknamed the Gentleman because of his good manners. Mr. Monroy had been in his local bar in the city of Chihuahua in northwestern Mexico when a jealous rival came over and began to hassle him. His friend Nandor Altamirano Carvajal said, Jonas was as always full of high spirits and was being charming with everyone in the bar when one of the locals took umbrage. He came over and started trying to wind Jonas up, but when that didn't work, he started getting abusive and aggressive. Jonas offered to buy the man a drink, but the guy pulled out a pair of scissors from his jacket and stabbed him in the head. Nandor took his friend, who was bleeding heavily, to the hospital. At first, staff thought the scissors in his head were some sort of joke, but after Mr. Monroy collapsed, they rushed him into the emergency room. He had been stabbed in the upper left side of his skull, and the scissors had penetrated his parietal brain lobe. He is lucky to be alive. A hospital spokesman said, staff were very surprised when the two walked in and the man with the scissors in his head shook the receptionist's hand and said he seemed to have a small problem and would the receptionist mind helping him. Thank you for listening and join us again for more Strangest Health Stories of 2015. We'll see you then.